It's your boy Trip the Boss, and I'm back with another video, guys. Today, guys, we'll actually be doing the sixth and final day of the 2 times spicy challenges that we've been having going on. Today, we'll actually be doing two of the spicy Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Will be 2 times spicy, and we have to do it. I have to do 2 of them in 5 minutes. As you guys can see, I'm doing it alone. I think Dominique really just gave up on me, man. She couldn't take it, but I understand. This stuff is hot. It's hot, guys. But before we get into the challenge, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And when you get done with all the guys, comment down below. Comment some other challenges or something you might want to see from the Triplett family as well, guys. Well, without further ado, guys, I guess I get to coating this chicken sandwich, man. Let's see. Yeah, guys, it's actually pretty early. I have to get up, do it. Look at that. I have to get up and do it while everybody's still asleep. So, yeah. Just wanted to go ahead and get it done. Oh, man. I think I ordered too many of these because this is the last day, and after today, I'm retiring this off from our household. Oh, man. Alright. Oh man, it's our nerves just stuck to the chicken. I don't even move around. Alright, let's see what that looking like. Got the tongs. Pull it that way. Oh my God, I can't get it. I wish I could smell it. Alright, I got one more to do. There's enough sauce left. Let's see if not, we'll just add more. Yeah, guys. Oh my God, I'm ready to get these challenges over with. So ready. We're supposed to been done with them, but something always come up. Then I work so much, guys. I think I work about at least 60 to 80 hours a week. Only if I got paid by the hour. Lord, I'm mercy. Oh, yeah, see that? It's just dripping from it. dripping hot. Alright. Get this somewhere out the way. Alright, guys. Before we get into the challenge, guys, if you guys haven't checked out the other 5 challenges that we already did, I actually be putting a couple of clips in right now, guys.
Time. Y'all, I can talk noise now. So, Prissy P and Rifle Lomas.
Woo! Time to kick in, guys. Oh, my fish hot. Oh my God, my fish hot. Man. That's a lot of bread not to be drinking.
I got throw Okay, go out.
Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get into it. You feel me? Yeah, dig. Alright, guys, we're back. And I have my timer with me. Have everything coded, so I'm just ready to get into it, guys. Let's go. Oh, yeah. I got 5 minutes to finish it, guys. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, hiccup. No. Ooh, damn. Too much bread. I do not like these pickles, man. Gotta get them pickles out of there. Oh, oh man, the hardest part about that challenge, guys, for me, is eating all that bread without being able to drink. Definitely. But I think the bread actually helped with the spice. The spice, it's still spicy, but I think the bread helped calm the spice down. But it's just eating all that bread without something to drink made it pretty tough. I barely got it done. Barely. Well guys, if you like this video, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, guys, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below, guys, on some other challenges you might want to see from the Triplett family. And another thing, guys, I didn't cry. I didn't cry this time, guys. So that's a good thing. Well, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace. One love.